In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Pipedrive. Whether you're backing up your data, preparing to switch tools, or needing to analyze your data outside of Pipedrive, exporting your data is a crucial process. Don't worry, the whole procedure is straightforward and requires just a few steps. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on your Pipedrive dashboard. This is your central hub, but today, we're going to focus on getting that data exported. To begin, direct your attention to the bottom left of your screen. Here, you'll spot three small dots. These are your gateway to more options within Pipedrive, so go ahead and give them a click. Upon clicking, a menu will pop up. In this menu, keep an eye out for an option titled Import Data. Now, this might seem a bit counterintuitive since our goal is to export data, but trust me, it's part of the process. That's where you need to head next, so go ahead and select Import Data. Now that you've made that selection, you're at a pivotal step. You'll see an option for Export Data. Yes, it might feel like a brief detour, but you're exactly where you need to be. Go ahead and click on Export Data to keep moving forward. We've reached the final stage of the process. Here, you'll see an Export button. This button is your key to initiating the export. When you click on it, Pipedrive goes to work, preparing your data for download. Depending on how much data you are exporting, this might take a few moments, so patience is key here. Once Pipedrive has finished preparing your data, it will be downloaded automatically to your device. Typically, it will land in your default Downloads folder. But remember, you can always specify where exactly you want it to go if you have a preferred location. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your data from Pipedrive. It's a straightforward process, designed to help you manage your information efficiently. Now, a quick reminder. Once you have your data, be sure to store it securely, particularly if it contains sensitive information. If you're using this data for analysis, take the necessary precautions to maintain its integrity. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and please feel free to drop any questions or suggestions for future videos in the comments section below. Your feedback is always appreciated.